Today I am reviewing Acer KB272 G0bi 27-inch IPS gaming and office monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are in the market for an affordable yet reliable monitor that works for both gaming and everyday office use, the Acer KB272 G0bi is definitely worth your attention. This 27-inch IPS monitor strikes a balance between performance, features, and price, making it a strong contender in the budget-friendly category of displays. At first glance, it offers a clean and modern design with slim bezels, giving it a sleek and professional look suitable for any setup, whether it's a gaming desk or an office workstation. When it comes to image quality, the Acer KB272 G0bi does not disappoint. It features a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which on a 27-inch screen still delivers sharp visuals and plenty of detail for gaming, movies, and productivity tasks. While it isn't a 2K or 4K display, the IPS technology ensures vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and consistent brightness across the panel. With a 99% sRGB color gamut, the monitor provides accurate color reproduction, making it more than capable for light content creation, video editing, and everyday media consumption. One of the biggest highlights of this monitor is its performance in gaming. Equipped with adaptive sync support, which is also FreeSync compatible, the KB272 G0bi ensures smoother gameplay by reducing screen tearing and stuttering. It supports refresh rates of up to 120 Hz, which is a significant step up from traditional 60 Hz monitors. The higher refresh rate makes fast-paced games feel much smoother and more responsive. On top of that, the 1 millisecond visual response boost helps minimize ghosting and motion blur, so whether you're playing first-person shooters, racing games, or action-packed titles, the monitor keeps up with the speed. In terms of usability, Acer has designed this monitor with comfort in mind. It offers a tilt adjustment from -5 to 25 degrees, giving users the flexibility to set the best viewing angle for their setup. It's also VESA mount compatible, so if you prefer a wall-mounted or arm-mounted solution, you'll have that option as well. The display's brightness goes up to 250 nits, which is adequate for most indoor environments, though it may not be ideal in very bright rooms with lots of sunlight. Connectivity is straightforward and practical. The Acer KB272 G0bi comes with one HDMI 1.4 port and one VGA port, which covers most modern and legacy devices. Acer even includes an HDMI cable in the box, so you can get started right away without needing to purchase additional accessories. This makes it a plug-and-play solution for gamers, office workers, or even students who need a reliable monitor for online classes and multitasking. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the monitor offers smooth gaming performance thanks to its 120 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. The adaptive sync support ensures tear-free visuals, and the IPS panel delivers strong color accuracy and wide viewing angles. Its slim design and VESA mount compatibility add to its versatility, and Acer's inclusion of a 3-year warranty gives users peace of mind. For everyday use, casual gaming, streaming, and office work, this monitor provides excellent value. However, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Since the resolution is capped at Full HD, some users who want sharper visuals or higher pixel density on a 27-inch screen may find it lacking compared to 2K or 4K monitors. The brightness at 250 nits is adequate but not exceptional, so it may not be the best choice if your workspace has a lot of natural light. Additionally, while it's excellent for casual and competitive gaming, more demanding esports players might prefer monitors with even higher refresh rates like 144 Hz or 240 Hz. Overall, the Acer KB272 G0bi is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a balanced monitor that can handle both work and play without breaking the bank. It offers smooth performance for gamers, accurate colors for media consumption, and practical features for office productivity. With its combination of affordability, reliability, and versatility, this monitor stands out as one of the best budget-friendly 27-inch displays on the market. If you want a display that can do a bit of everything, gaming, work, and entertainment, While staying within a reasonable budget, the Acer KB272 G0bi is a smart pick.